Greetings, and welcome to a journey through time and beauty as we explore some of Australia's most iconic landmarks. From man-made masterpieces to natural wonders millions of years in the making, Australia's diverse landscape offers a captivating tapestry of history and splendour. On this adventure, we'll take to the skies, soaring above these remarkable sights to gain a unique perspective on their grandeur and significance. Through the lens of our aerial cameras, we'll witness the intricate details and breathtaking panoramas that make these destinations truly unforgettable. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare to be amazed as we embark on an unforgettable voyage over the sun-kissed land of Australia, discovering the stories etched into its ancient heart. Our journey begins in Sydney, home to Australia's most recognisable landmark, the Sydney Opera House. From the air, this architectural marvel takes on a life of its own. The sail-shaped shells, a masterpiece of expressionist design, float effortlessly on the water's edge. Conceived by Danish architect Jørn Utzon, the Opera House pushed the boundaries of construction techniques. Its construction, spanning 14 years, was a testament to human ambition and ingenuity. Completed in 1973, it became a symbol of Australia's cultural ambition and modern architecture. Today, it stands as a testament to human creativity, inspiring millions of visitors each year. We journey north now to the heart of Queensland's tropical coast, where we encounter a realm of vibrant colours and unparalleled biodiversity, the Great Barrier Reef. Stretching for over 2,300 kilometres, this vast underwater ecosystem is the largest living structure on Earth, visible even from space. Its intricate coral gardens, teeming with marine life, create a kaleidoscope of colours that take our breath away. From the air, we witness the reef's immense scale and the delicate beauty of its individual components. Schools of fish shimmer like silver flashes against the coral, while graceful manta rays glide effortlessly through the turquoise depths. But the Great Barrier Reef is more than just a feast for the eyes. It is a vital ecosystem, home to countless species of marine life, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Our journey takes us to the heart of Australia, to the arid red centre, where Uluru rises dramatically from the desert plains. This sandstone giant is sacred to the Anangu people, the traditional custodians of the land. Its surface, painted in ochre and crimson by the setting sun, holds deep spiritual significance. Uluru's origins date back millions of years to a time when this region was a vast inland sea. The rock is a remnant of a massive sandstone formation, sculpted over eons by erosion. Circling Uluru from the air, we sense its immense scale and presence. A place of profound beauty and spiritual resonance, a testament to nature's power and the deep connection between people and their land. Our journey takes us southward to the island state of Tasmania, where a sombre chapter in Australia's history is etched into the landscape. Port Arthur. Established in 1830 as a penal colony, Port Arthur became one of the most notorious convict settlements in the British Empire. The ruins of the prison, with its imposing guard towers and solitary confinement cells, stand as a stark reminder of the harsh realities of convict life. Yet, amidst the sombre history, there is a haunting beauty to Port Arthur. The stone buildings, weathered by time and reclaimed by nature, are gradually being consumed by the surrounding bushland. Today, Port Arthur is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, preserved as a place of remembrance and reflection. It stands as a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the capacity for compassion and forgiveness. And we return now to the sparkling coastline of New South Wales, where a crescent of golden sand stretches before us, Bondi Beach. This iconic beach, a symbol of Australian beach culture, has been a popular destination for locals and tourists alike for over a century. From the air, we witness the vibrant tapestry of activity that unfolds on Bondi's shores. Surfers carve through the waves, sunbathers bask in the golden glow, and families stroll along the water's edge. But Bondi Beach is more than just a pretty face. It holds a special place in Australia's social and cultural history. In the early 20th century, it was here that the movement to overturn restrictive swimwear laws gained momentum, paving the way for the acceptance of modern swimwear. Today, Bondi Beach remains a place of freedom and liberation, a celebration of the Australian spirit and the allure of the ocean. Our journey now takes us to the top end of Australia, to a land of rugged escarpments, cascading waterfalls and ancient rock art. Kakadu National Park. This vast wilderness, covering an area almost half the size of Switzerland, is one of the world's most biodiverse regions. From the air, we witness the park's dramatic landscapes, sculpted over millions of years by the forces of nature. Towering sandstone cliffs plunge into crystal-clear pools, while rivers snake their way through dense rainforest. Kakadu is also home to one of the world's oldest living cultures, the Aboriginal people who have lived in harmony with this land for over 65,000 years. Their ancient rock art, found throughout the park, provides a glimpse into their rich spiritual beliefs and connection to the land. We journey now to the rugged coastline of Victoria, where a series of towering limestone stacks rise dramatically from the Southern Ocean, the 12 Apostles. These iconic rock formations, carved by the relentless forces of erosion, are a testament to the power of nature and the passage of time. From the air, we witness the Apostles' majestic beauty, their sheer cliffs plunging into the churning surf below. Each stack is unique in its shape and size, sculpted by the wind and waves over millennia. As the sun sets on the horizon, casting long shadows across the water, the Apostles take on an ethereal glow, their rugged beauty amplified by the play of light and shadow. It is a sight that stirs the soul, a reminder of the awe-inspiring forces that have shaped our planet. Our journey concludes in the heart of Sydney, where a tranquil oasis awaits us, the Royal Botanic Garden. Established in 1816, it is one of the oldest scientific institutions in Australia and a testament to the country's rich botanical heritage. From the air, we witness the garden's sprawling beauty, a tapestry of lush lawns, vibrant flower beds, and towering trees. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blossoms, a welcome respite from the bustling city beyond. The Royal Botanic Garden is home to a diverse collection of plant life, from rare and endangered species to iconic Australian natives. It is a place of peace and tranquility, a sanctuary for both plants and people. As our journey through Australia's historical wonders draws to a close, we hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the beauty, history, and cultural significance of this remarkable country. From ancient rock formations to architectural marvels, Australia's diverse landscapes offer a captivating glimpse into the past and present. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to join us on future adventures as we continue to explore the world's most fascinating destinations. Like this video and leave a comment below telling us which Australian landmark you'd most like to visit. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey. We look forward to sharing more wonders of the world with you soon.